Are you struggling to get your e-commerce business noticed online? Are your products lost in the vast digital landscape? Well, fret not. Today, we're diving into 5 essential SEO tips tailored specifically for e-commerce businesses. So let's start. First up, optimize product descriptions. Make sure they're not just informative, but also keyword-rich. Think like your customers and anticipate what they might search for. Second is mobile optimization. With more and more people shopping on their smartphones, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly is crucial. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in search results, so don't overlook this. Third is user-friendly URLs. Let's talk about URLs. Keep them simple, descriptive, and user-friendly. Avoid long strings of numbers or meaningless characters. Clear URLs not only help search engines understand your content, but also improve user experience. Fourth is to implement rich snippets. Rich snippets are a powerful way to stand out in search results. They provide users with additional information right on the search page, increasing click-through rates. Take advantage of structured data markup to highlight important details like product reviews, prices, and availability. Fifth and last is to invest in high-quality visuals. Don't underestimate the power of visuals. High-quality images and videos not only enhance your product listings, but also engage and entice potential customers. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in e-commerce. So there you have it, 5 SEO tips to boost your e-commerce business. Now it's your turn. Implement these strategies and watch your online visibility soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.